Hello, welcome to another Java interview question. In this question, find the factorial of a given number. What's a factorial? Factorial number, it means the product of all positive integer to the given number. It means if you have factorial of 1, 1. Factorial of 2, if you have factorial of 2, it's equal to 1 times 2. Factorial of 3, it means 1 times 2 times 3. This factorial. We have different approach for solving this question. Let's go first with the scanner, then we create our own method and second method. I already import the scanner class, import the java.util. I create object of scanner class, scanner import equal to new scanner system.in. Let's ask the user that ask the user to enter a number. Enter a number to find its factorial. The number plus factorial. When the user enter the number, we have to store that number in a variable. We use integer and number. We call it number. You can call it what you want. Equal to input. The input dot next, that's integer, next end. After that we have to use a for loop to iterate each time that number. We use for loop for integer n equal to 1, I equal to 1, I less than that number, the number that we stored in a variable, less than that number I plus plus. In this block of code, first we have to create another variable, like we call it factorial equal to 1. Each time that factorial equal to factorial plus factorial times I. Each time I will explain this block of code. When I said factorial 1 plus 2, it means factorial each time factorial equal to factorial times I. Then says out we call factorial. Let's run the program. It work properly or no? Enter a number to find factorial. We can say we put 2. The factorial of 2 is 2. If I put 4, the factorial of 4 is 24. It means 4. 1 more times 2 times 3 times 4. If I say factorial of 5, it's equal to 120. It means 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 till the number. This is the first method. The first method that we create. The second method, we can create our own method. I wanna comment all these block of code. I comment this block of code. Let's create our own method. I create my own method public static and factorial. It accept only a variable integer and a. I create my own method here. I can create my. First I have to store a number what integer n equal to 1 factorial 1. I use for loop for and I equal to 1 I less than I less than a, the numbers I less than a, I plus plus, and inside of the block of code, n, the variable equal to n plus n times I. It's like this block of code instead I. Just at the end, return. It's as return type, return to n. Let's call this method because it's a static. Static we can call it in the main method. Let's call this one in the main method. Factorial of 5. When I run it, nothing will happen. I will tell you why, because we have to print it in system dot out dot println. Oh, sorry. I write it one more time. Factorial 5. I just add this one. System.out.println. When I run this program, this block of code, it gives us 24. I can use this one too. Thanks for your attention.